What is up, investors? Jason here. So this video is going to be another technical analysis on Cardano. We just saw Cardano make it above that resistance spot that it had a hard time getting over, that 295 mark that it needed to pass to get into the $3 range. So now we have Cardano kind of trying to get above that $3 mark now. So in this video, we're going to be doing a new technical analysis. We're going to set a new support line that hopefully Cardano can hold at. And we're going to talk about where can Cardano be going from here. As you guys know, I've been very bullish on Cardano, and I've been making these videos, keeping track of what has been going on. Trying not to go too crazy with these price predictions, trying to be more realistic than a lot of other technical analysis that are out there that other people are doing. Trying to show you guys that Cardano can perform in a way that makes sense to a lot of people if you just really keep track of what it is doing. So we're going to continue following Cardano, and we're going to see where it can be going from here. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. Helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm and helps spread these videos to more people that might find it interesting. Also, subscribe if you have not already. And if you're interested in being a Patreon, helping support this channel even more, and joining the private Discord where we can talk about stocks and cryptos, and we can talk about Cardano and all that jazz, I have one. The link is in the description. Thank you to all the Patreons. Now, let's get to this. Keeping track with everything with Cardano here from the last month, as you guys can see, everything's pretty much all in order here, and the resistance points, like I've been saying, of the $2.95 mark was an area where we really needed to break above and then find new support at that price, which it looks like we have. And as you've seen, it has fallen a little bit below that, but has enough support there at the moment to be able to help keep it above that 295 mark. So if we were to see it go too much more lower and not be able to find support anymore at 295, then that would become the new resistance point again, and we'll be back where we have been through the past week. But for right now, everything is looking good, and it looks like we do have the support there at the 295 mark, which is great. And I wouldn't be surprised that the $3.15 mark will be our resistance point, that we will be trying to get above that. Right now it's showing about $3.10, but to really be sure, we're going to have to give it a little bit more time to see where that resistance really is at this moment. Now, on the date that I'm making this video, September 2nd, on a Twitter announcement, Input Output, the development company behind Cardano, revealed the Plutus smart contract capability deployment on testnet, and it looks like everything is on track for this all to go live on September 12th. With today's testnet launch and the mainnet launch approaching, ADA has broken the $3 mark for the first time, putting the market capitalization of now the third largest cryptocurrency in a space of roughly $97 billion. And it's actually gone a little bit above that. It's gone above the $100 billion mark a little bit ago. The final launch of the smart contracts on Cardano could open up the floodgates for the development of DeFi and NFT projects on the ecosystem. The proof of stake blockchain is Ethereum compatible, which means that decentralized applications on Ethereum could port their smart contracts to Cardano with very minimal changes. Furthermore, Cardano's staking contract currently has about $70 billion worth of ADA tokens locked, equating to roughly 70% of the total token supply. Once Alonzo is rolled out, much of this money could flow into tokens of other projects built on the protocol, which could potentially result in a booming ecosystem. So hopefully we can keep Cardano above the support line. Now, I say it in my other videos too, don't rule out a correction from being something that can happen in the short term, just because a lot of things are already priced into Cardano. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see the price of Cardano just skyrocket. That's not going to be a surprise. But at the same time, if it is to do a little bit of a correction just because it has gone up so fast, welcome that as well. I've been saying that if you are somebody that is very bullish on it, and that could just create a better buying opportunity in my opinion. But in the long run, like I've been saying, I think that Cardano could easily go to that $5, $6, $7 mark sometime even possibly before the end of this year. That would not surprise me. There's a lot of potential here with these smart contracts, and for the type of businesses that will be interested in using these, I think this could be a big game changer. I strongly believe that the entire future of finances are going to start going more so this route, and the traditional way of buying a home or buying a car is going to be evolving into a way that the blockchain is integrated into it, and it's just, in my opinion, a much smarter way of doing finances. But it's going to take a bit of time for the entire industry to catch up to everything. But I think that this is the route we're going. Smart contracts and just blockchain in general. That's the route that everything is headed, and it's going to be very interesting to watch. So hopefully we can see Cardano continue its momentum, keep having this bullish behavior, and go to these much higher prices, and also welcome a correction in the meantime before we do get to that September 12th date, which probably won't be happening anytime soon. It could be something that would happen a little bit after we get into those smart contracts. But even then, everything looks amazing from this point, especially with the whole test looking positive and everything on track for that September 12th release of the smart contracts. So anyways, I'd like to hear what everybody's thoughts on Cardano is at this moment. Do you think that we're going to be seeing Cardano break above that $3.10 mark and keep soaring from there? I wouldn't be surprised that here in the short term, within the next week or so, we could see Cardano even possibly going to a price above $3.50. That wouldn't surprise me, but keep in mind that is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only, so do your own research and keep up. And I also suggest go ahead and watch the other videos I made on Cardano, just because I've been trying to more accurately keep track of what it is doing and not trying to go to any sort of crazy price prediction. I think that Cardano, with this $100 million market cap right now, some amazing things could really be happening, especially with 70% of that being already sent into the whole smart contracts itself. So we're going to have to see where things do go from there. Anyways, so please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.